All right, next video. So you can probably tell I'm skipping around. So I'm going to create the linkage peg next part. So I'm going to go to new, standard English, create. We're going to start our sketch on this XY plane here. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, maybe a whole lot. I don't know. What am I doing? I'm just going to draw a line just straight up off to the side. So like way up here. I'm going to turn this line into a center line. I'm going to use my concentric constraint. Grab the center of this line, or the middle, and I'm going to slap it over here on this origin. Bam. Like so. I'm going to start creating the kind of the section cut of that peg. So I'm going to draw a line over here to the right. I'm going to go up. I'm going to come over. I'm going to stop there. I'm going to, so I know that this dimension here is 0.25. 0.25. And I know that the dimension of this, now actually what it tells you is not exactly what it's going to be. So they got their dimension wrong on the paper. So from here to the center line, that's going to be 0.0625. 0.0625. Like so. And then I'm going to draw a line from the center dot straight up. That's 0.325. And so I need to figure out kind of what this curve is and how far does it go out. So the videos that I've watched, everybody does it different. So I'm going to do it one of the ways that I found. So, all right, so to draw this arc here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle somewhere off way to the side. I'm going to dimension it. So I want to right click because I want to dimension it with a radius, not the diameter. So the radius is going to be 0.23. No, that take it back. It's going to be 0.1562. 0.1562. And then what I want to do is I'm going to move this on top. I want to move the quadrant of the circle on top of this line. So to do that, I'm going to click on my move. And then I'm going to select this circle. And then for my base point, I'm going to click this arrow here. I'm going to right click here and go to point snaps. I'm going to select the quadrant. So then I can grab this quadrant of this circle here, the green dot, and move it on top of this line here, like so. And then I can extend this line out. I can trim this part here that I don't need. I don't need that. Yeah, there we go. Make sure I got that there. Yeah, so there is that. And then I can finish my sketch. I can revolve this thing around like so. So there is our linkage peg, all nice and tidy. So yeah, make sure you save it. It looks like a mushroom. Go file, save, linkage peg, linkage peg. There we go. All right, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.